Second phase of voting on 26 seats in 6 districts for the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections was held on Wednesday. While it was sluggish polling in Srinagar, the turnout was better in Budgam, Rajouri, Poonch, Riyasi and Ganderbal. All over provisional turnout was 56% till 6 p.m. on Wednesday. Remember, there were several big names in the fray, including Omar Abdullah, Ravinder Raina of the BJP and Tariq Hamid Karra of the Congress.
Long queues outside polling stations as people voted in the second phase of assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir. It is the first election after a gap of 10 years, and there is a deep yearning for the return of democracy in the region. Debate around Article 370, restoration of statehood, and jobs appears to be the main issues for the voters.
बस अपना रिप्रेजेंटेटिव चुनने के लिए आए हैं यहाँ पे 10 साल बाद। मैं 23 साल का हूँ, फिर भी मैं पहला वोट डाल रहा हूँ, इसलिए ताकि हमारे मसले हल हो जाए। अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट यहाँ पे पहली बार दूसरी नंबर पे आई है, तो उस पर बात हो बस, और क्या।
We have to cast our vote. Who party we have to cast doesn't matter, but we have to cast our vote. And my wife, she's casting vote for the first time.
I am feeling very happy because it's my first time when I am casting my vote.
जो सबके होते हैं, जो रोड होते हैं, पावर होता है, वाटर होते हैं, और क्या इश्यूज है।
जी 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 जी।
अब तो जो होना था पहले 370 वो तो हट गया। अब कोई भी कुछ भी कहे तो हम वोट निकले के लिए निकले हैं।
370 को इसलिए 370 का हमें 35A का है, हमें यही नीड है कि वो वापस आना चाहिए।
While it was a sluggish polling in Srinagar, a moderate to brisk polling was recorded in Budgam, Rajouri, Poonch, Riyasi and Ganderbal districts. Among the 239 candidates for 26 seats whose fate was decided today is Omar Abdullah, Ravinder Raina of BJP and Tariq Hamid Karra of Congress. A group of 15 diplomats also observed elections in Kashmir and praised India's democracy. But National Conference leader Omar Abdullah questioned the rationale behind election tour of foreign diplomats.
I don't know why foreigners should be asked to check elections. When foreigners, foreign governments comment, then Government of India says this is an internal matter for India. Now suddenly they want foreign observers to come and look at our elections. These are an internal matter for us. We don't need their certificate.
With the completion of the second phase, 50 out of 90 seats in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly have voted. The focus has now shifted to the third phase. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi held 2 rallies in Jammu and Kashmir on Wednesday. As the restoration of statehood remains central to Jammu and Kashmir elections, Rahul Gandhi reiterated that India Alliance will do whatever it takes to ensure restoration of statehood.
मैं आपको यहाँ गारंटी देता हूँ कि अगर बीजेपी ने आपको स्टेटहुड नहीं दिया तो हम विपक्ष में हैं, हम इंडिया गठबंधन का पूरा दम आपको स्टेटहुड दिलवाने में लगा देंगे। पार्लियामेंट का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, लोकसभा का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, राज्यसभा का, सड़कों में उतरेंगे और हम आपको जो आपका हक है वापस दिलाएंगे।
The biggest success of these elections is that they are being held without fear of violence or boycott calls by separatists. But the turnaround has not been as encouraging as many had expected. With Nazir Masoodi, Bureau Report, NDTV.